Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to share in this video a special announcement that October 15th ends the actual tax season. E-file season closes down as well. Everybody starts to get ready for the upcoming tax season with the different tasks of training and system updates and informational updates and all these different things that's connected to being ready for the upcoming tax season take place after October 15th. So if you want to get your tax return done before October 15th and you still want to get an e-file before the season shuts down, I'm doing a limited time special from September the 14th through September the 20th for a one-time fee of $150, and that's regardless if you're a self-employed individual or not. One-time flat fee of $150. Reach out to me with my contact information inside the description of my video to learn more of how that works and take advantage of this awesome limited special on pricing for people who still want to file their income tax return in 2021 and definitely get it done before the season ends, October 15th of 2021. With that being said, I have a coaching program that's designed to help people looking to start their own tax preparation business. Unfortunately, this is the fourth quarter, and the only people I can really work with when it comes to helping you set your own tax service up will be people who've already got their EFIN and their PTIN and their business credentials already set up, because the chance of you getting that stuff set up and approved in time for January 2022, it's going to be cutting it close, going to be cutting it tight. But not to say it can't happen, but one of the perks of working with me is that if you put your paperwork in and it's not approved in time, you can work with me and still make extra income as a tax professional in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. So that's the beauty of working with me. That's the perks of working with me, that even though you might not be fully ready with the competence and skills and knowledge needed, you can still make money working with me, uh, being a part of my team by me assisting you with the work that need to be done. The key to that is you'll have to go out and get your own clientele. I'll help you process those, help you get paid as a result of that. But the key is going to be you going out there and bringing in the clients to help you make some extra income for the upcoming tax season. So if you already got a PTIN, if you already work for Jackson Hewitt, H&R Block, or some independent tax firm, and you want to make extra money by getting that money that companies charge going directly to you, at least the bulk of it, then call me up. Let's talk. Let's chat. Let's see if we're a good fit for one another. I've done a video yesterday. I'm taking 5 students for this opportunity to work with me. If you fall into that category where you're doing either a revenue split or you make a one-time investment, where if you make a one-time investment, everything that we do as far as your tax preparation fee goes straight to you. Or you can do the revenue split, which is 70-30. You get the 70, I make the 30. It's up to you to decide. We can talk more about it, and I'll see you in my next video.